We were supposed to go to the pool in the neighborhood, but the problem is too hot. We don't want to get too dark. Right, Michelle? Whoa, balloon! It's not working!
Colin, look! It's not working.
What is that? What is that?
And I have a little mermaid here. I should say big mermaid.
Here. No, like watch.
No, what's mine? It's mine.
It's not working.
Colin! No more Colin work. Caroline! Oh my God, the little monster. Jasmine. It's not working.
It's not working, baby. I think it's broken.
This is the backyard along the highway.
Caroline, look.
With a lot of corn.
Caroline, look.
Dover, Delaware.
They all want to touch it now.